It's me, Bree Reads!
Hi, friends! It's me, Bree Reads. Today, let's draw a picture together, like this. For a free printable coloring page, visit my website at breereads.com. For this project, you'll need a piece of paper, a pencil to draw with, a marker or pen to outline with, an eraser, and something to color with. I start with 2 wheels. I leave some room on the front and the back of the bus. 1 circle, some space in the middle, 2 circles. Now, in the middle, I'll draw a line between them. Then, I'll draw a line to the edge of the page and the same over here. This is the bottom of the bus. Now, I'll go to the front and draw up about a finger's length. Then over to where the wheel begins, up again to almost the top and stop. On the back, all the way up, almost the top and stop. Now I'll draw a kind of curving line for the roof of the bus, like this. Now we'll draw some wheel covers. It'll be a rainbow shape around the top of the wheel. I'm going to come just under the bottom of the bus, go out, rainbow up, around and down, then close it. I'll erase these lines later. And again on this side, a little bit under, I go out, rainbow around, and close it. Now I'll draw a light on the front of the bus, and a light at the top, and one more light on the back. At the very bottom, I'm going to draw a bumper. It comes out past the edge of the bus, and another one in the front. Now I'll draw the windshield. That's the window in the front. Since it's from the side, I'll draw half of a rectangle and close it. Now, 3 square windows for the passengers. 1, leave a little space. 2, another space. 3. These windows go open and shut this way, so I draw a line in the middle. And for the roof, from the top of the light over, I'll make a straight line. Here, I'll draw a stop sign. All school buses have a stop sign. A stop sign is an octagon. It has 8 sides. 1, diagonal 2, down 3, diagonal 4, over 5, diagonal up 6, up 7, diagonal 8, and close it. An octagon. Now I'll draw a straight line under these windows and another straight line here. Usually, the name of the school goes inside here. I'm going to write the word school with capital letters. S, C, H, O, O, L. School. And inside the stop sign, I'll write the word stop in capital letters. S-T-O-P. Stop. Now, just a couple more details. At the front of the bus, we'll make a grill. This will be a long rectangle with some lines like this. And here, school buses have big mirrors that stick out. We'll make 1 stick, 2 sticks, and a big mirror. It's a rectangle with round edges. And last, let's finish the wheel with a circle on the inside of the tire. Now, I take my marker and pen to outline my drawing. And now we add color. I use my bright yellow crayon to color in most of the bus. I use a darker yellow, kind of golden mustard color for this part. I press lightly so that you can still read the word underneath. I use the same crayon here and press a little harder to get a darker color. I use light blue on the windows to make them look like they're shining. I leave strips of white, uncolored. I do the same for all the windows. Then red for the stop sign. And reddish-orangish for the lights. And gray for the mirror, bumpers, and inside of the wheels. Lastly, I use black for the tires and the grill. I leave the top of the bus white. Thank you for drawing with me today. Please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.